Install the seal on the narrow face of the auxiliary track. Install the sealant strip on the seal. Use a level or other auxiliary tools to position the level and track accurately. Fix the left and right auxiliary tracks at the horizontal line positions on both sides of the door body. The large arc of the track should face outward. Align the curved end of the curved track with the top end of the vertical track. Secure it with carriage bolts, and use a perforated angle iron to fix the other end of the curved track. Install the torsion spring onto the solid shaft. Then sequentially place the bracket plate and the tower wheel onto the solid shaft. Arrange and place the components in the order shown in the video. Then secure one end of the torsion spring to the bracket plate using hex bolts. Use auxiliary tools to lift the two sets of torsion springs to the corresponding positions at the top of the door opening. Connect the two sets of torsion springs with a coupling, secure all the bracket plates with screws, and tighten the coupling bolts. Rotate the two torsion springs clockwise according to the number of coils on the label. Insert the pin into the torsion spring hole and tighten the screws to prevent the torsion spring from snapping back. Fix the side hinges and the center hinge to the back of the door panel according to the marked points. Note that the top and bottom door panels have different side hinges. Install the sealing strip at the corresponding position on the top door panel. Install the door panel from bottom to top and place the pulleys into the track. Hook the steel cable onto the bottom hinge and thread it through the pulley. Loop the steel cable from the rear side of the solid shaft to the front, inserting it into the steel cable hole. Wrap it 1.5 turns, then tighten the steel cable. The edge of the tower wheel should align with the center of the curved track. Insert the pin to secure it. Fix the motor using the motor bracket plate. Pull the chain to align the holes, insert the pin to secure it, and use retaining rings on both sides of the motor to hold it in place.